Welcome back to Pilot Deck. This is Steve, and I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek on what we have going on behind the scenes in VR. We're going to integrate the companion app as well as show you the capabilities of VR within the Pilot Deck application. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to import our SimBrief data, the 7-digit code. Here you'll see our flight plan has been loaded into the in-game EFB. All the information is below. And then you also see that this same flight plan has been loaded on to the iPad that sits within your actual space. Within the iPad, you can pan and zoom. You can also toggle all of the details if you would like to. So if you wanted to get rid of your VOR, if you wanted to get rid of the flight plan, anything that you wanted to do, you can go ahead and do that. You also see on the iPad that you'll be able to see the telemetry flight below. This is the part where we're going to dive a little bit into the scratchpad. So what's really cool about the scratchpad is everything you put on the iPad in real life is going to show up on the iPad in the simulator. So very unique to Pilot Deck. First thing I want to show you is how closely aligned the actual iPad is to the iPad within the simulator. We're going to go ahead and circle all of these, and you'll see they circle exactly and match on the iPad within the simulator. So next, we're going to go ahead and just erase those marks. So if you make a mistake, you can just click the erase button and go back and erase everything you have there. Once everything is erased, click the erase button again to allow just standard draw function. And now we'll start putting in our information. So in the taxi, it's a lot easier for us to input our information with a handwritten tool. So I used to just use this Virtualist desktop cutout and just handwrite everything on a piece of paper. Now we actually have the iPad to go ahead and help us, and it's going to import everything directly into the simulator. And you can go ahead and delete or erase anything that you don't like and anything that doesn't work. Next thing we just want to show off here is the iPad does have the ability to go ahead and access the charts. A really cool thing about the iPad app is you can go ahead and click the draw button and then go actually and draw on the charts as you wish. I mean, for the here, I'm just going to draw on the airport diagram to show you the taxi instructions to get to the runway. Just highlight that. You'll see it clear as day on your iPad, so you can go ahead and track it with your Vatsim controller. Really appreciate you guys hanging out for another video. This is a good representation of the capabilities of this Pilot Deck application within VR, as well as using the companion app. Any questions, comments, please leave them below.